You're a superhero.
Before moving to the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix any problem relating to the Zoom app. So we'll start the video. After opening Zoom app, click on About. Firstly, check the version of this app. Then click on Report Problem. If you have any problem with meeting or chat, then you can select that. Then click on Other. Then type the problem. Then click on Send. If the app is not updated, please update the app. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.